Hey there, thank you so much for watching EduSmart. Today, I brought you 4 exciting internships that are available both offline and online. You will be really surprised and you will really like these internships because these internships are not from Internshala. So you're more likely to land these internships, and this is available both online and offline. First thing, if you wanted to work offline with the company, you need to be located at Bangalore. If not, you can complete this internship online right from your home. So as I said, there are 4 opportunities of internships. Let me tell the names of these 4 internships. This is Python internship, Java internship, web development, and IT internship. These are the 4 internship offers that I have brought you today. And from those internships, you are going to learn a real-time experience because you are working with the company, right? And you need not even pay a single penny for this. It means it's absolutely for free. And by the way, you are not even going to get paid for this internship. You are not going to pay and you are not being paid. So that is the important thing of this internship. So it is like you are learning from this internship and you are going to get a certificate from them once you complete this internship. And everyone out there, this is Vinay and I make these videos on free courses, certifications, scholarships, campus placements and whatnot. You must check this channel before you continue. You can see the various courses and all I have provided here. It will really shock you. Like there's the stuff is really interesting stuff. You must check it out before you move on this channel, right? So let's get started with the internship as I have been telling you about. Now these internships are free. You can work from your home and you have really a very good time to apply for these internships. The 4 internships are really exciting. Let me tell you about the web development internship first. Now this internship is the last day to apply for this internship is August 6th. So for this internship, the required skills are CSS, HTML, JavaScript, etc. So as we see, CSS, HTML, PHP. These are the 3 requirements for this internship. And the number of positions, that means vacancies available are 5. You can be a BTech, BCA, MCA, MTech pursuing students can apply for this internship. So this is mainly taken for the students who are already into the college, who are not even passed out. So they can apply for these internships. So this is really working over nice, right? You can see this, they will be assigning you a project by the company. You need to work on it, like full stack development, working on HTML. You do not work, you do not expect too much work from, they do not expect too much work from you because you are just a college going student and you are an intern, right? So you need not worry about all you required or not. Like, don't worry like that because you are going to get good things of this. Let me also talk about some other internships available. Now this internship is a software development internship, and for this internship they just asked for HTML. So they're basically giving you the work, maybe checking whatever they have already done. Like they might be asking on you. This internship's working depends on Java, Web, Python, machine learning, etc. They might be asking on these modes. And for the skills they required, just mentioned as HTML, the number of positions are 5, and the application deadline is 26th June of 2020. By the way, watch this video till the end without skipping because I tell the main important points in between the video. If you skip the video, you are going to lose them. So this is the most important thing about this comes the Python internship. It's really exciting, right? You need to learn, you need to have Python before, you need to have a knowledge on Python before you apply for this internship. And the 5th August is the last date to apply. 5th August 2020 is the last date. Number of positions are 5. You need to know CSS, HTML and Python. CSS and HTML is pretty easy. You can just learn in an hour because those are really important, not that difficult things. They are not even that difficult coding tasks, right? So you can learn them easily. If you are already good at Python, you can apply for this internship. Now the next internship is Java internship. The last date to apply is 27th June of 2020. The duration of all the 4 internships is 184 days. You can see you can apply it by 27th June. So thereafter for 184 days you are working with this company online. And you need not think of too much because they're not going to pay you and they will not even ask you to do the real-time work, but they will be introducing to the real-time work, and this really adds a lot of value to your resume, and it makes and it will stand out from the rest of the internship applications. So you need to really work hard for this internship. So working hard is simply that providing your application really matters. Like you need to impress the interviewer with your just resume. and the answers you are going to give for their questions. Take care that you are providing the best answers and your answer must stand out from the rest. Only then you will be landing this internship. So now to get these internships, open your browsers, check for letsintern.com. You can find out these internships out there. If you are new to this platform, click on register as student and complete your registration. Thereafter log in and apply. So you can see the apply button over there and you can click on it. You can get on this internship. I'll try to provide the link in the description box below. If not, you can just check it out by your browser and they're everywhere. So you can see this core values and the more of this company and etc. if you're interested. This company is situated in Bangalore. I didn't tell you the name of this company, right? It is Tech City Technologies Private Limited. So guys, that's all for this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends before you go on applying for this internship. Thank you so much for watching EduSmart.